All right, so today's number that we're going to look at with our place value is 1,115. We have it in this box right here. The first thing we want to know is the number 1,115 even or odd? We know that we can look at the last digit of the number and decide that. The last digit of 1,115 is a 5. And so we have our 5 here represented. And typically we want to see if it's even or odd. We can divide it into two groups, and if they have the same amount, then it is an even number. And if they have an uneven amount, then it means it's odd. So the number 5, I can put two groups of 2, but I have this one left over, which means I can't equally split these. So the number 1,115 is odd. In this odd number, we're going to do a little bit of more or less, one more, one less, for all the values that we have and see what numbers we come up with. So I have the number 1,115, and I add one more. One more would give me 1,100, a single 10, and 6 units, 1,116. I'm going to bring it back to my number, 1,115, and do one less. One less. That gives me 1,100, 110, and 4 units, 1,114. I'm going to bring my unit back so that I have 1,115, and I'm going to do 10 more. 10 more. That gives me 1,100, 2 tens, and 5 units, 1,125. I'm going to put the 10 back, go back to my regular number, 1,115. Now I'm going to do 10 less. 10 less. That leaves me with 1,100, 0 tens, and 5 units, 1,105. I'm going to put my tens back. Let's do 100 more. 100 more. I'm going to add 100 down. That gives me 1,000, 200s, 110, and 5 units, 1,215. I'm going to get my number back, 1,115. And now I'm going to do 100 less. 100 less. That leaves me with 1,000, I don't have any hundreds, 110, and 5 units, which is the number 1,015. I'm going to bring my number back. I have 1,115. If I do 1,000 more, I get 2,000, 100, 110, and 5 units, 2,115. I'm going to go back to my regular number, 1,115. If I do 1,000 less, then I am given 0 thousands, 100, 110, and 5 units, which is the number 115.